Hey guys, in today's assignment, you're going to be asked to compose shapes. I wanted to share with you this website where we can use virtual manipulatives of pattern blocks to help us complete our assignment. Look across the top of this website. You will see that there are some pattern blocks on the top. And on the left side, you'll see there are different tools that we can use. For this assignment, we're going to be sticking mainly to the pattern blocks on the top. The assignment says, use a trapezoid to create a hexagon. So I'm going to come over to my website and I'm going to pull down the hexagon because I know that that is the shape that I need to create. I also know I have to use a trapezoid to create it. So I'm going to take my trapezoid and I'm going to put it on top of my hexagon. Let's see. There we go. Now I'm looking and I see some of the hexagon is still showing, so that must mean that I need another trapezoid. So I'll pull another trapezoid down. But I need to figure out how to spin this trapezoid. I'm going to take my cursor, which is my arrow, and I'm going to move it up to my trapezoid. Whenever my cursor turns into a little hand, it means I can do something to the shape. So I can touch on any of these green arrows and a little hand will show up, and then I can spin my shape. I can then drag it over on top of the hexagon. I now have two trapezoids that are creating one hexagon. If I wanted to move this to get it out of the way a little bit, I can take my cursor and I can draw a little orange circle around it. I don't need to be on the crayon part. This is without going to the crayon. It groups it all together and everything will move together. Now, if I look at my next part, it says I need to use a triangle or triangles to create a trapezoid. I'm going to go back to my website and I'm going to pull down a trapezoid this time. I know that I need triangles. So I'm going to pull down one triangle. I'm going to take my triangle and I'm going to put it on top of my trapezoid. I can look at it and I can see that I need two more triangles. I'm going to pull down one more triangle. I'm going to spin it like I want it. And then I can come over here to where there's these two little squares and that says duplicate shape. I can select duplicate shape and it just duplicates it the exact same way I've already spun it. So I'm going to put one here and one on this side. Now, we don't need to worry about it being perfectly lined up. That is completely fine the way it is. You'll go back to your assignment and start with go to your new shapes. You've got a rhombus and two more hexagons to create. After you have finished creating all of your shapes, you can print screen and save that image to your computer and then upload it to the Canvas website. Or you can also do a snippet. So to do a snippet, you will need to come down to this Windows bar down here. It's the search bar. And in here, just type snip, S-N-I-P. A little tool will pop up. It looks like a piece of paper with scissors. Select that tool and then go to New. You can then take a picture, drag and take a picture of your area. And then go File, Save As, and save it as whatever you want to save it as. So let me go File, Save As, Capture 1. Hopefully I'm not replacing something. So then I can come to my desktop, and yes, I know my desktop has a lot on it, and I can find Capture 1, and I have an image that I did online. I can upload that to my assignment. If I'm doing this on an iPad, I can just take a screenshot and upload that photo to my assignment. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out.